Hey there, beautiful souls. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more empowering content. Welcome to a journey of transformation and empowerment. Let's talk about manifestation, that magical process of turning dreams into reality. It's not just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that can change your life. Manifestation is about aligning your energy with the universe to attract your desires. It's about setting clear intentions and believing that you are worthy of receiving them. But here's the catch. Belief is the secret sauce. Without a deep-seated belief in your ability to manifest, even the most powerful intentions can fizzle out. Without belief, doubt creeps in, and doubt is a powerful blocker. It can make your dreams seem distant and unattainable. Confidence in your ability to manifest is crucial. It's about knowing, deep down, that you have the power to create the life you desire. It's about trusting the universe and believing in your own worthiness. When you trust, you open the door to endless possibilities. When you doubt yourself, you create resistance, blocking the flow of abundance. Doubt is like a wall that stands between you and your dreams. But fear not, my loves. We all have moments of doubt, and it's okay. The key is to recognize it and not let it control you. We're going to dismantle those doubts and step into a space of pure manifesting power. It's time to tear down those walls and let your true potential shine. This journey is about recognizing your inner critic, that pesky voice of self-doubt, and replacing its negativity with unwavering self-belief. Affirmations are a powerful tool in this process. Are you ready to unlock your manifesting potential? Let's do this. Together, we will embrace the power of belief and create a life filled with joy, abundance, and endless possibilities. Self-doubt is that sneaky saboteur that whispers, "You're not good enough," or "This will never work for you." It often creeps in when you least expect it, undermining your confidence and making you question your worth and capabilities. It's the voice of fear disguised as reason, holding you back from your true potential. This internal critic can be so convincing that it paralyzes you, making you second-guess every decision and action. When you doubt your ability to manifest, you send mixed signals to the universe. Your intentions become clouded with uncertainty, and this confusion can delay or even derail your manifestations. It's like ordering a delicious meal and then canceling it before it arrives. Imagine the frustration of the waiter and the kitchen staff who prepared your meal with care, only to have it sent back. You're essentially saying, "I want this, but I don't believe I can have it." This lack of belief creates a barrier between you and your desires, making it difficult for the universe to deliver what you want. Self-doubt creates resistance, blocking the flow of abundance. It's like trying to navigate through a maze of obstacles that you have placed in your own path. It's like trying to drive with one foot on the gas and the other on the brake. You won't get very far. This internal conflict keeps you stuck in place, unable to move forward or make progress. But by identifying and overcoming self-doubt, you can clear the path for your desires to manifest. Recognize the negative thoughts and challenge them. Replace them with positive affirmations and a strong belief in your abilities. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift and encourage you. By doing so, you create a clear and direct path for your manifestations to come to fruition. Remember, the universe responds to the energy you put out. When you believe in yourself and your ability to manifest, you align with the frequency of abundance and open the door to endless possibilities. For more guidance and support on your manifestation journey, join our Patreon for a 7-day trial. Learn about the law of attraction, spirituality, and stay motivated with exclusive content and much more. Click the link in the description to get started today. The first step to overcoming self-doubt is recognizing its presence. It often lurks in the shadows of our minds, whispering words of caution and fear. These whispers can be so subtle that we mistake them for our own rational thoughts. Pay attention to the thoughts that arise when you think about your desires. Are they filled with enthusiasm and hope, or do they carry a weight of hesitation and uncertainty? Do you feel a sense of excitement and possibility, or do you notice fear, doubt, and unworthiness creeping in? These feelings are indicators of the internal battle between your aspirations and your self-doubt. Self-doubt often disguises itself as rational thinking. It tells you that you're being practical, that you're just considering all the possibilities. But in reality, it's holding you back from taking the leap. You might find yourself saying things like, "I don't have enough experience," or "It's not the right time." These thoughts seem logical, but they are often just masks for deeper fears. These are just excuses your ego uses to keep you small and safe. Your ego is trying to protect you from potential failure or disappointment, but in doing so, it also prevents you from achieving greatness. Journaling is a powerful tool for uncovering your self-doubt patterns. By putting your thoughts on paper, you can see them more clearly and begin to understand their origins. Take some time each day to write down your thoughts and feelings about your desires. Reflect on what you truly want and what might be holding you back. As you write, notice any recurring negative beliefs that surface. These patterns can reveal the underlying fears and doubts that are influencing your decisions. Awareness is key to transformation. By recognizing and understanding your self-doubt, you can begin to challenge and overcome it. This awareness allows you to take conscious steps towards your goals, free from the constraints of fear and uncertainty. Now that you've identified your self-doubt patterns, it's time to shift the narrative. This means challenging those negative beliefs and replacing them with empowering truths. Affirmations are a powerful way to reprogram your subconscious mind. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and repeat them daily, feeling the truth of each word. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm not worthy of love," affirm, "I am worthy of love, and I am open to receiving it now." Visualization is another powerful tool for building confidence. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already living your dream life. Feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment as if it's already yours. The more you embody these feelings, the faster you'll manifest your deepest desires. Let us know in the comments what you've learned from this video.